What do you expect? This is a post by Nataliboghossian, Boghossian, and the full written post will be down in the description below. What do you expect? Nowadays, you're getting prepared for the summer because you know it's going to come, right? Maybe you've started going to the gym more often. Maybe you're unpacking your summer clothing. You might be visiting stores and browsing new clothes even if you didn't buy them yet. In any case, you feel summer is in the air. You are so conditioned to believe summer is going to come that you don't even question or doubt its arrival. Now ask yourself, do you have the same knowing that your manifestations will harden into fact? What do you expect in life in general? The best? Or are you always preparing yourself for the worst case scenarios in subtle ways? Do you always find yourself preparing for plan B, C, or D? Why do you save money in the bank? For good or for the bad days? In his The Power of the Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murray, who had the same teacher as Neville Goddard, says, keep your conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best, and your subconscious will faithfully reproduce your habitual thinking. Say, I expect only the best. Only good things are coming to me. According to your faith, be it unto you. Matthew 9:29. In her What Do You Expect?, Florence Scovel Shinn similarly writes, change your expectations and you change your conditions. How can you change your expectancies when you have formed the habit of expecting loss, lack, sickness, or failure? Begin to act as if you expect success, happiness, and abundance. Prepare for your good. Do something to show you expect it to come. Active faith alone will impress the subconscious. I sometimes remember how I manifested the seemingly impossible things in my life before knowing the law. I would have thought that crazy desire, then despite all circumstances that would tell me it was impossible to have it, I would just go on expecting it to happen. I would sometimes buy small things with the excitement of a kid, or just read about the thing I wanted. I would daydream, and so on. Unknowingly, I was just acting as if I was about to get it. And despite all my occasional doubts, worries, and fears, I would still always get what I wanted to everyone's surprise. You may be affirming, visualizing, or scripting for your desires. However, you may not be expecting them to come at all. In this case, guess which one wins? So prepare to receive your manifestations. Be excited about it, just like you are preparing to welcome the summer. Happy manifesting. If you liked it, please like and subscribe for more. It's a great day.